Hey, it's Jonathan. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you want to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video all the way to the end, share it, comment. All these things help. I really do appreciate it. Alright, so today we're going to take another look at Coinbase, ticker symbol coin. Last time I was looking at this, we were right around this area here, right around this I don't know, 257 or something like that area. What I was saying I wanted to do is I wanted it to pull back, price go almost as low as we were before, and then I wanted to see a bounce. I was looking at it to do that with the relative strength staying higher. I wanted just a regular divergence. It doesn't appear that we're going to get that this time, but we are receiving a little bit of a hidden divergence here. The price is back on our trend line almost. Relative strength is just about all the way down to the bottom where we were. This scenario I'm a little more leery of than the other scenario I talked about, where the price would pull all the way back, relative strength stay higher. So I'm going to watch this just a little bit more closely than I would the other one. The other one I would have been willing to hop in right away. Our area of capitulation is actually right where we're at right now. Right around this 248 area. I don't want to see it go any lower than 245. I'm going to be looking on this lower. On this, I'm zooming in on a 30-minute this time, just to get a better look at an entry. I don't mind if this relative strength goes lower. In fact, I'd like to see the relative strength go lower and the price stay higher, but I don't want to see it fall much further than this, because just because of the way this is set up this time, and I'm going to be looking for an entry, somewhere I can enter right at this point for a ride higher, and we'll see how it goes. Anyway, that's where we're at on Coinbase, but this is the area that we need to be looking at. We need to start looking at very carefully. So, to see if we can get in somewhere. I really like the way that this is looking, though. We're having this rounding off, and I think if we can get turned around here, I think that we'll have a good chance of upside. As for the downside, it's kind of iffy. I don't have a downside target. I'm just going to look for a good entry at this point. If I get it, I'm going to ride it higher. If it moves down, just not going to have any target until I see what it does. It's just something to watch right now. This is a very young stock, and I want to see how it's moving. Every stock moves a little bit different. I want to see how this one is moving, and I'm not in any kind of rush. I started trading this instead of the Microsoft. It looks like we've had a pullback on the Microsoft stock. I'm still watching that. We'll see what happens with that. I'm not in any big rush. You know what I'm saying? I got plenty of life to live. And if I don't, then it doesn't matter anyway, right? And I'm just going to wait until something starts playing my game. And when it's playing the game that I'm good at, I'm going to hop in and ride it away. Hop in and win the game. So I'm not interested in playing other people's game. I'm going to play mine. So anyway, that's it. Just my thoughts on it. Hope this video helped you out, all that stuff. Again, I really do appreciate all the new people that have subscribed. And I'm going to keep an eye on this. I'm going to keep an eye on this on that lower time frame. because if we can get an entry, if I start to see it moving at this point, I mean we have a ascending channel here. If I can start seeing it move at this point, and I can get an entry here, then my target's going to be up here at 308, right around 308, depending on how much time it takes to get there. I'm going to put a target to 308, 3012, 13, 14, 15 or something like that, and we'll have a pretty good ride up. So look about 60 bucks, something like that. That would be nice. I like that. So I'm gonna keep a real close eye here, because if it starts to turn around, I think it's going to move fast. I think it's going to take off, but all speculation. Anyway, okay. Well, y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.